Hi, this is an SAP FICO training video for Profit Center Accounting. Within Profit Center Accounting, today we are covering master data. Today's date is November 27th, 2024. If these SAP FICO training videos are helping you on your SAP FICO training journey, please like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment in the chat. Let me know how many years of SAP FICO training experience you have. The agenda here is for profit centers, profit center groups, and standard hierarchies. As you all know, I like to provide the information in question answer format. And without further delay, let's get into it. Focus is profit centers. What is a profit center? A financial organizational unit used to structure the organization from a change management point of view. How do profit centers report? Based on the various areas of the organization as structured by management. How important is the decision of how to design the structure of the profit centers in an implementation project? It is one of the most important finance decisions. What lengths may a business go through to define the best structure for profit centers? Acquiring extensive support from implementation consultants. What areas of business should be involved when structuring profit centers? Finance, sales, purchasing, production, and logistics. Where are profit centers derived from? Cost centers, material master, and logistics. Who normally defines profit centers? Finance. With what approach are profit centers most commonly defined and why? The sales-based approach. Management is interested in analyzing how products and divisions of a company are performing. What do profit centers often represent? Product lines and sales departments. What is the ultimate goal of profit center accounting? To provide detailed financial statement outputs covering assets, liabilities, costs, and revenues. These need to be provided fast and transparently. These need to be provided for each important area of the organization. Just saying that in one clear sentence, in other words, provide detailed financial statement reports fast for each area. Let's create a profit center. Menu path to create a profit center. Accounting, controlling, profit center accounting, master data, profit center, individual processing, create. Enter a profit center to be created and a controlling area. Profit center, controlling area. Profit centers are always created for controlling areas. The naming convention for profit centers should be straightforward and easy to understand and recognize. A good practice is to use numeric codes for profit centers. The length depends on the number of profit centers required. 4 or 6 digits is common. It is best to be consistent among profit centers. For example, profit centers from the same division should start with the same numbers. In the copy from section, you can enter an existing profit center and its controlling area. The values of that profit center will be proposed as defaults on the following screen. This is the profit center master record. As you can see, it is organized into tabs, which contain logically connected fields. Let's walk through the tabs and fields, starting with the Basic Data tab. Analysis period. These fields determine the validity period of the profit center. The profit center can be posted only within that validity period. Unless some specific reason exists, such as the profit center represents a product being phased out, the end date is usually set as December 31st, 9999, which represents the profit center is valid indefinitely. Name, a short description of the profit center. Long text, a long description of the profit center. User responsible, enter a SAP user responsible for that profit center. Person responsible, the manager of that profit center. Department, the department of that the profit center belongs to. Profit center group, each profit center should be assigned to a group. Profit center groups are structured in a standard hierarchy that we will configure in the next section. Segment. Higher level organizational units than profit centers are used to produce financial statements and reports on the few main areas that structures the organization from a management point of view. If segments are used, each profit center should be assigned to a segment in this field. Then, when this profit center is posted, the segment is also posted. Both fields are part of Table AC DACA, the Universal Journal. Click the Indicators tab. Here, you can lock the profit center from postings. You can also enter a template for formula planning that contains functions for finding plan values using formulas. Click the Company Codes tab. Here, you must select the company code that the profit center is active for. All company codes assigned to the controlling area will appear in this list. By checking the box, you can select a company code. Click the Address tab. Here, you can enter various address information relevant for the profit center. Click the Communication tab. Here, you can enter communication info relevant to the profit center. Click the History tab. Here, the system shows information about the user who created the profit center and when they created it, as well as changes to the profit center master record. After maintaining all fields, you can save the profit center as inactive by clicking the Save button, or you can activate the profit center immediately by clicking the Join button. The profit center must be activated before it can be used for postings. That concludes profit centers. Now, let's cover profit center groups and master data for profit center accounting. Profit center groups. What does a profit center group do? Classifies profit centers with similar functions. What are profit center groups used for? They are used heavily in reporting. Let's create a profit center group. Menu path to create a profit center group. Accounting, controlling, profit center accounting, master data, profit center group, create. Enter a name for the profit center group. The name can consist of letters and numbers. All profit center groups should follow a consistent approach with either numeric values or descriptive names that point to the function of the group. In the reference section, you can provide an existing profit center group to use as a template for the new group. Press enter to proceed. Initially, you only see the name of the profit center group entered on the previous screen. Enter a long description for the group. Then you can start to build the lower hierarchy of the group. You can assign additional groups on the same level you are positioned on with the same level command. Assign groups to lower level with that command. You can assign profit centers to groups by selecting Profit Center from the top menu. This screen shows profit center group drugs without additional groups underneath, with 3 profit centers assigned. Click Save when finished. That concludes profit center groups. For our last topic, let's cover standard hierarchies in master data for profit center accounting. Standard hierarchies. What is a standard hierarchy? A structure that contains all the profit centers in your organization grouped into logical groups based on the purpose and the strategy of classification of the profit centers. What is the profit center standard hierarchy similar to, but not to be confused with, the cost center hierarchy? How does the profit center standard hierarchy relate to the profit center group? The standard hierarchy is a profit center group at the top level that contains the other profit center groups in the controlling area. Let's maintain a profit center standard hierarchy. Menu path to maintain a profit center standard hierarchy. Accounting, controlling, profit center accounting, master data, standard hierarchy, change. This is the interface provided by this transaction, and it is full of flexible options. The screen is separated into multiple windows for easier navigation. On the left side, you have a search function where you can search by profit center or profit center group. On the right side, at the top, you have the profit center standard hierarchy. At the bottom, you have details about the selected node. The standard hierarchy is a tree-like structure that can be expanded using the arrows to the left of each node. You can also expand or collapse the whole hierarchy by clicking the expand and collapse buttons. You can right-click any node and create an additional profit center group at the same level or a lower level, or assign a profit center. Include all profit center groups in the standard hierarchy, then click the Save button. That concludes standard hierarchies and this training video. Thank you. If these SAP FICO training videos are helping you on your SAP FICO training journey, please like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment in the chat. Let me know how many years of SAP FICO experience you have. Thank you all for your time. Till next time. Peace.